So I'm back at the ShearForce 10 channel test section on May 1st, about 30 days after the previous videos were recorded. And you can see just in the past month how well the vegetation is filled in the test section where the mat is. And I truly believe that the success of the mat in this application was due to its performance the first month or two after it was installed. Just after installation last fall, just so much rain and so much flow had come through this area, as evidenced by all the erosion damage, the scour in the uncontrolled or unprotected areas, as well as the riprap check dams, and the test section just remained solid. And the mat itself just held the soil and seed in place and allowed that seed to germinate. Some germinated last fall. A lot of it just held in place until this spring and germinated, and that's what you see today is the vegetated ShearForce 10 product. And this vegetated ShearForce 10 product, it's going to reinforce that vegetation. The vegetation will not wash out in the long run.